Hi, I'm Amit, and I'm currently working as engineering manager at Adobe. And prior to that, I had worked in Microsoft. I heard about this campus ladder idea from Kamal, and I think this is great, and I'm very excited about it. Um in today's world of mobile and then different screen sizes and cloud, everyone needs software that should run on the different mobile devices and that has different screen sizes. So, to address that, the responsive web app development is one of the core and essential technology to address this. And as part of this team, I would be mentoring you on this subject, and hope you will be well prepared to do some good and great exercise in this. And so, hope you see you soon. Thank you.